I am telling you.
Assalamu alaikum, how are you?
Alaikum salam. I am fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm in UK sitting down just watching some news, and I saw that brother from Afghanistan, and I thought, his English is not good, and yeah.
My English is not good like you was on Kenya, yeah? And I am
Your
trying.
English is good. Your English is very good.
Oh, thank you. You are from Afghanistan too.
No, I'm from Kashmir, but I've been in UK all my life. I was a baby when I came, like only 1 year old.
You are a native.
Yeah, I'm from Kashmir, Pakistan, man. Pakistan Zindabad.
Mashallah. You Sheikh, I see the god at the bird.
Yeah, Sufi, I love Hadra. Hey, Hadra.
Mashallah.
Yeah, my Sheikh is Sheikh Nazim. You know Sheikh Nazim?
Yes, I know
Nazim
him. I listen sometimes.
Yeah, he passed away, and now his son is coming to UK. And are you from Sudan?
No, I am Somali, nothing. You know Somali or not?
Oh, Somali, yeah. But you don't have many Sufis, no? Sufis?
No, Sufis. Some Sufis, like they are not famous. We have the Asr. You know the Asr or not?
You have Mawlid al-Nabi, it's beautiful time.
We have the Asr. You know Sheikh the Asr or not? He's Sufi. He's famous.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Very famous. These Sufis are very famous, beautiful. You have a lovely bright face. You have noor on your face. It's like you are, a very pious person.
Mashallah. What is your name, my brother?
I saw you. Muhammad Amin.
Muhammad Amin. Mashallah. You are married and you have children.
No, I'm looking for somebody nice, tall and busty. If you know anybody.
And the people they see you. He is looking for a wife. Go join him. Like you are looking for Sheikhadna for some religious women.
It doesn't have to be religious, but it has to be tall and big. I'm looking for tall and big, one who can give me, one who can carry me on the back, piggy bank, strong.
like the people, and there are a lot of women who watching you. Maybe you get your wife here. Who knows? Huh?
Yeah. And you're in France.
Can you talk about yourself in 1 minute? How old are you? What you doing in your life? What kind of woman you like?
Yeah, tall and busty, has to be nice, humble, smiling, caring person, likes to go travel. I like to travel as well. And hopefully, inshallah, and shopping as well, doing many sports, cricket, studying. So hopefully there must be somebody out there for me.
Oh, you love Somali women or not?
Oh, beautiful. Oh, I don't want to say that. They kill me, man. Somali women are very, very nice, man. There's some I see here. If you walk behind them, my God, it's like, that they got lovely shape, the beautiful shape behind it.
Yeah. And I call you Inapti because you know what means Inapti. Inapti means and you call Inapti the people you love and the people you see the first time. And me, I call Inapti every people.
There's many Somali people here in London as well. In London, I see them in London.
There are a lot. Like Subagma. You know Subag or not? Subag means means Subag, and Subag it means beautiful. Somali girls are
beautiful,
Subag.
Very beautiful, man.
Yes.
Yeah, very beautiful.
Like and you bidar and you don't have hair on the head.
Yeah. No, I shaved it all off. I don't have it. It's gone now. It's gone. It's finished.
It's finished. What are they winning? How?
Maybe you can give me some hair and I can put it on hair. If you take some of yours off, put it on hair. I need some of your hair. Give it to me.
And enough thing. And you, how old are you? Because I see you big man.
I'm very young. I'm a very young person. Look, man, my skin is fresh. You know, brown eyes, long eyelashes. I'm very beautiful. You know, brown eyes. Look,
هاي استغفر الله استغفر الله because and you are I know you are chef لكن tell me how you see my برنامج tonight, how you see my program.
Oh, you know what? I saw your program and I wanted, you know, just about maybe how long have you been on there? 3 hours now, isn't it?
Yes, every time it's like that.
No, I saw you a little while ago and then I was looking and then, you know, this guy, yeah, he couldn't speak very good English.
Hey.
The one from Afghanistan.
Hey.
Yeah, then I thought I want to speak as well because then it's more, because your English is good and I want to have a little chat, you know?
Yeah.
So I'm very glad. I can't believe this is happening. I think this is a dream come true. It's a miracle, a dream. Because
God. Thank you, wallahi, thank you. And in my barnamij, I tell you something. My program, it's universal. Every people can make comments and I call them.
When are you coming to UK? Do you ever been to UK? Have you been to UK?
No, I never been to UK. Do you welcome me if I come?
Yeah, welcome you. I will put the red carpet. I will have, you know, the roses. I will throw the flowers on you. You know, everything.
And I tell you something. My program, it is to sing. Every people who come here, they sing. You know singing, ma?
Yeah, I wish I could sing, honestly, because the thing is, I like to listen to nasheeds and Sufi music.
Yes, the nasheed. And the nasheed. One nasheed. You can sing one nasheed because
the thing is, I'm more of a listener. I'm more of a listener than singing, you see. The voice, I don't even have a good voice for the sheeds. I like to listen. And I go to many events. But myself, I wish I could really, really read a beautiful one. But, you know, when I go to the Sufi centers, I like to listen a lot, you see. I have many friends watching me now. I have many friends I invited. They're watching me now, man. Oh, my God.
Oh, okay. I am welcoming all your friends. And if they want to call them,
no, what about when do you come on? What days? You need to tell me what days you're on.
And inshallah, the next time you enter the life, I will tell you because right now I am not ready.
Yeah, you need to come regular, and you need to play music. Haven't you got something in the background? A tape recorder?
I can't come the regular because I don't have passport. I am a refugee. You passport my sina enough.
No, where's your music in the background? Do you not have a tape?
And background here, background.
Yeah, you need to have a tape, a CD player.
I can't tell me. Music, ma. I don't need music background. I just need the people call them and the people they sing. The people they are music.
Yeah, that's true. But if you have to, you know, like a radio station, why didn't you have? You should try to apply for go to radio station and sit there. When people say play this one, play this music, you should play.
No,
yeah,
I don't need. I already have my page and I am already my page and the people they come here. We don't need radio now right now. Huh? The technology.
Where are you in France? Are you in Paris?
I don't live in Paris. I live in the city near Paris. I am not far away.
Boulogne, La Touquet or Boulogne or Les Gobelins, Saint-Omer.
No, I live and you know and it is 4 hours from Paris. It is called the Rouen. You know or not?
No, I went to Paris last year. I went to the Eiffel Tower.
It is far away. It's not the city. It's not where people they stay.
There's many Gambian people. You know, many Gambian people in Paris.
And you sing one song and I call the other people. Huh?
Okay, Bismillah. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin Nabiyil Ummi wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallim. Like this, you know, repeat. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi. You funny, wallahi, you funny. You stayed like that. I like the people like you. You funny. Every time funny.
Beautiful, mashallah. Ahlan wa sahlan.
أيوة، السلام عليكم. لا يستكاد. السلام عليكم.